Hey there, farm folks. How's it going out in the fields today? Welcome back to Agriculture Hacks and Tips, your one-stop destination for smart farming solutions. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting out, we've got tips and tricks to make your farming life easier and more efficient. Today I'm going to show you how to build your very own rain barrel in just 3 easy steps. It's a fun and rewarding project that anyone can do. It's an eco-friendly way to collect water for your crops and save on your water bill. Plus, rainwater is often better for your plants than tap water because it's free of chemicals and salts. So let's dive in. Are you ready? Let's get started. First things first, what will you need? Let's gather our materials. Here's your materials list. A large plastic barrel, preferably one that can hold at least 50 gallons of water. You'll also need a spigot, a drill, a downspout diverter kit, a screen to keep debris out, and some Teflon tape to ensure a tight seal. Got it? Great. Now let's get building. This is going to be fun and super useful. Step 1, prep the barrel. Take your plastic barrel and clean it thoroughly. You want to make sure it's free of any residues or contaminants. Make sure there's no residue inside that could harm your plants. A clean barrel means clean water for your crops. Next, drill a hole near the bottom of the barrel for the spigot. This is where you'll be drawing water from. Wrap the threads of the spigot with Teflon tape, then screw it firmly into the hole. This will prevent any leaks. This will be where you attach your hose later. Make sure it's secure and tight. Step 2, install the diverter. Position your rain barrel next to your downspout. This is where the rainwater will be collected from your roof. Using your downspout diverter kit, cut your downspout to the appropriate height and attach the diverter. This will direct the water into your barrel. The diverter will channel rainwater from your gutter into the barrel. It's a simple but effective system. Follow the kit instructions to ensure a snug fit. You want to make sure no water is wasted. Step 3, add the screen. Now, place a screen over the top of your barrel. This is crucial to keep your water clean. This will prevent leaves, debris, and insects from getting into your water supply. Clean water means healthy plants. Secure it tightly so it stays in place even during heavy rains. You don't want it blowing away. And there you have it, a simple, efficient rain barrel ready to go. You've just taken a big step towards sustainable farming. Connect your hose to the spigot and you're all set to start collecting rainwater. It's that easy. It's a cost-effective, sustainable way to keep your crops hydrated. Your plants will thank you for it. Before I sign off, remember to clean your barrel and screen periodically to keep everything running smoothly. Regular maintenance is key. And always wear gloves and safety goggles when handling tools and materials. Safety first, always. If you found this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button, like this video, and share it with fellow farmers and agri-lovers. Let's grow smarter together. Your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Thanks for watching and happy farming. See you next time with more tips and tricks for a successful farming journey.